Hey, what's up? Today I want to talk about the Treehouse community projects. So if you've been living under a rock over the last few months, or just haven't been hanging out in Discord or Twitch with us, let me explain what the community projects are. Basically, once a month, we hop on Twitch and we choose a random project, usually submitted by a community member, and we all go out and build our own version of that project idea that was chosen in our own way. Some people have made just designs, some people have done web apps, some people have made mobile apps, some people have even made games out of some of these project ideas. So you could do whatever you want to do, just be creative. At the end of the month, we all hop on Twitch and I will review everyone's project submissions. And then once all the projects have been reviewed, we will choose another project at random and then repeat the cycle over and over. And there's also a ton of other information in here about joining our Discord community if you want to, and a little bit about me as well as Treehouse. So I highly recommend you take a look at this landing page and get familiar with the Treehouse community projects. The only requirement for community projects is that you have a GitHub account, as that's how you're going to authenticate yourself into the dashboard. So you'll just hit this continue with GitHub, and I'm already authenticated, so it's just going to take me straight to the dashboard, but you may need to actually authenticate with GitHub. Once you're here, you'll see this very big card at the very top of the dashboard. It's going to tell you the current project of the month, as well as when it's due, and a little description. And you'll also see everyone that's interested in the current project. This project is the art/photo gallery site, and this one was submitted to us by Claire, one of our awesome community members. There's a short description if you need it, and then, as I mentioned, here are all the people that are currently interested in this project. I do want to speak about the interested section just a moment. So I'm going to remove my interest on this, but what I want to kind of explain is during the live streams, when I randomly choose someone who wants to submit a project for review, I go through a list and I build this list based off of the people that are interested in the current month's project. So if you want your project reviewed, click I'm interested, and then I will call on you during the live stream. If for whatever reason you couldn't finish your project or you just don't want me to review it live on Twitch, just make sure to remove your interest before the live stream so there's no confusion there. So I'm going to go ahead and say that I'm interested in this project because I am. And let's go down now to the community activity section. Here you're going to see all the project ideas submitted by the community members. And if you want to check out all the other pages, it is paginated down here at the bottom. So let's talk a little bit about the project ideas section. Firstly, if you want to submit your own idea, just click this button here and fill out the form, and it'll be submitted to me and I'll approve it. If you want to filter these project ideas, you can do so from newest, first, oldest first, and then most liked. And speaking of likes, you can like project ideas, and I really encourage you to do so. The more likes that a project has, the better chance that it will be randomly selected when we choose a new project at the end of the month. Other than that, feel free to roam around the dashboard. There's tons of helpful things in here, like seeing the past projects, recent activity to see what everyone else in this community is up to, some FAQs, as well as some other awesome things like a pretty sweet dark mode. But I'm going to go get working on my version of this art photo gallery site, and I hope I see you guys in the next live stream. Peace.